Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. I am your mathematics teacher, Muhammad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif. Today we are going to continue our lecture number 4, exercise 1.1, question number 3. In fact, yesterday we were having question number 3 by the completing scale method. So we have one part from here. Definitely you will see this question is required to solve 7 into x plus 2a whole square plus 3a square is equal to 5a into 7x plus 23a. So first of all, we have to convert this equation into standard quadratic equation. That is standard quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to convert the expression in such a way that maximum degree term will be first and the first degree term will be the second term and the constant term will be the third term. So in this way we will write down our expression and then we will apply completing scale method to solve this question. Yesterday we solved that. Now first of all, open up the formula of scale. First scale plus 2 into first into second plus second scale. Like that. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus 3a square is equal to 35ax and plus it will be 115a square. 115a square. Now 7 into x square plus 4ax plus 4a square is plus 3a square is equal to 35ax plus 115a square. Now we will open up the bracket multiplying with 7x square plus 28ax plus 28a square plus 3a square is equal to 35ax plus 115a square. Now we will shift all the terms to the left hand side and will write down in the proper order. First maximum power 7x square, then 28ax minus 35ax. This is 28ax and bring this 35ax to the left hand side, sign will change and here it will be 31a square minus 115a square. Here 7x square minus 7ax minus 115 minus 31. That will be 84a square equal to 0. Now dear students, you can check. This is first term of standard quadratic equation, second term involving x and the third term is constant. Now I already told you yesterday that completing scale method involves first step is to shift constant to the right hand side. 7x square minus 7ax is equal to 84 First of all, we will shift this constant term to the right hand side. After that, you can check. We can divide whole expression by 7. We can divide whole expression by 7. In this way, x square will be free from the term which is not a complete square. I told you that whenever the number with x square is incomplete square, 7, 5, 3 like that, 11, 13, then you have to divide it to make this x square alone for completing square. Now dividing both sides by 7. Here is 7x square over 7 minus 7ax over 7 is equal to 84 over 7a square. After that, there is x square minus ax is equal to 12a square. Now we have to complete the square. Yesterday I told you, for completing square, you know a plus b whole square, that is first square plus 2 into first into second plus second square. Remember that you are given right hand side of the formula and you have to move to the left hand side. For right hand side, you can see first term whole square plus 2 into first into second term. This second term is missing here because you know that x whole square, this is first square. Here it is minus 2 into first into second and plus second square is equal to 12a square plus second square. Remember that I told you yesterday, last lecture, that actually you have the equation like a scale. 2 pans of the scale. If you put something on left pan, you have to put the same on the right hand pan also. Otherwise, this equation will not be true and it will become imbalanced. But equation is always balanced. By adding on both sides or by subtracting from both sides. That's why we have written this is first square plus minus 2 minus, this sign will be taken from here. Minus 2 into first. What about first? The term inside the square. Here is x. Second term is missing. So you will write down second term and plus second square. We are going to make right hand side with the help of this. We will move to the left hand side. Here is second square and here is second square also. So you can check how would you make this ax. You know you have x already. You have 2, but 2 is extra. You don't need here 2. So reverse process. Divide it so that 2 cancelled out. And what left? This is a left. So put your a here. Now dear students, look at that. You have already x. 2 was extra because we don't have 2 here. 2 is extra. So reverse process. Reverse means if it is multiplied, divide it. And if it is divided, multiply it. Then a was required. So we have written a. So this is your second term, a over 2 on both sides. Now it's very easy to move from right to left. How you will move from right to left? Dear students, look at this right hand side. And it will be very easy. If in the central term you have positive sign, central sign will be positive. If this is negative, you will put negative here. If central sign is positive, you will put sign positive here. If this is negative, put negative sign inside these numbers. After that, what are the terms? Squared terms. A and B, then whole square. Again, centered sign will come inside this whole square. Positive and positive, negative and negative. Then, first squared term will come as first. Second squared term will come as second, and that will be whole square. Similarly, if you move from right to left here, what will be the sign in the center? Minus, because of this minus. What is first term squared term? That is x. What is second squared term? A over 2 whole square. So this is the way how you will move from right to left. Here is 12a square plus a square over 4. Open up the square. Now 4 12 the 48 plus 1, 49a square over 4, x minus a over 2 whole square. After that, actually you want to find the value of variable x. So here is x square, whole power. If you want to reduce the power, you will take square root. And if you want to increase the power, you will take square. So taking square root on both sides. X minus a over 2 whole square whole under root. That is 49a square over 4 whole under root. Here you will have 2 and square root cancelled out. X minus a over 2 is equal to plus minus 49a square will be 7a and 4 will come out as a 2. After that, we will write down x minus a over 2 once positive 7a over 2 and x minus a over 2 then once negative. Once positive, once negative. Here you will bring this a over to the right hand side. X is equal to 7a over 2 plus a over 2. Here is x is equal to minus 7a over 2 plus a over 2. Remember that this is 7a over 2, a over 2, that will be actually 8a over 2. Here is minus 7a plus minus 6a over 2. And we are left with x is equal to 4a and x is equal to minus 3a. So your solution set is 4a and minus 3a. Dear students, this is your answer of this square part and it will be written in this curly brackets. So don't write down in parentheses because basically these are the two values of same variable x and x. So that's why don't draw small brackets, otherwise it will be wrong. If you draw small bracket, first value will become x and second will be value of y, but you have same variable. So write down your answer in this way, otherwise you will have wrong answer. Hopefully you got the idea. After that, we are going to start our exercise 1.2. Dear students, in case of exercise 1.2, we will apply quadratic formula. Solve the following equation using quadratic formula. Solve by quadratic formula. First of all, you must understand, last time I gave you this question, standard quadratic equation to solve by completing square. The The answer must be this one. This is the solution of standard quadratic equation, which is known as quadratic formula. Remember that, I am repeating again. Standard quadratic equation solution is quadratic formula, which will be solved with the help of completing scale, and you will get this answer. So here is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. First of all, you will check what is b. Remember that b is coefficient of x. Remember, from here, you always write down your expression in standard quadratic equation. Then you will find coefficient of x is b. Then b. Here is coefficient of x is b. Then 4a. What about a? A is coefficient of x square. C is constant and divided by 2a. 2 into a coefficient of x square. Remember that this is very easy question. You have to put the values in this formula and simplify. But first of all, you will write down the expression in standard quadratic equation. For example, part number 1 is 2 minus x square is equal to 7x. So first of all, we will write down this expression as standard quadratic equation. This one. So first term will be x square, second term involves x, and the third term will be constant. Here you can see, shift these numbers, this x square is negative. So bring this on the right hand side to make it positive. So x square positive, then plus 7x, bring this 2 on the other side, it will be minus 2. So you have made the expression for equation just like a standard quadratic equation. First is the term involving x square, second term involving x, third is constant. Or you can write down x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, comparing with standard quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From here, what do you suggest? What about a? A is the coefficient of x square. What is here? It is 1. If nothing is written, it is always 1. A is equal to 1. Then b is equal to coefficient of x b. Here coefficient of x is 7. So b is equal to 7. And c is equal to, this is c and this will be c. This c is equal to minus 2. Using values in x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. X is equal to minus, what about b? b is 7. Minus 7 plus minus b square is 7 square minus 4. A is 1. C is minus 2. Divided by 2 into a. What about a? A is 1. So you will put the values a, b, c here in this formula. This is very easy exercise, and simply you will use the values of a, b, c in the formula and then simplify. X is equal to minus 7 plus minus 49 plus 8 minus minus plus 4 to the 8 over 2. So x is equal to minus 7 plus minus, that will be equal to 57 over 2. 57 is the number, we cannot get it outside. So your answer is, solution set is this value of x. Minus 7 plus minus 57 under root over 2, or you can write down even minus 7 plus 57 under root over 2 and minus 7 minus 57 under root over 2. Both answers are same. You can write down them both ways. So one's positive and one's negative. This is your answer. I hope that you got the idea. After that, I am going to have your part number 3. I think you can solve part number 2 with the help of part number 1. It's easy. So I am finding part number 3. Part number 3 is 3 under root x square plus x is equal to 4 into 3 under root. Dear students, you can check. Write down in the standard quadratic equation, first term x square, second involve x and then constant. Here is 3 under root x square plus x minus 4 into 3 under root equal to 0. Comparing with standard quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What about a? A is 3 under root and b is nothing written, so it is 1, and c is minus 4 into 3 under root. 4 into 3 under root. So using values, in quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So x is equal to minus b means minus 1 plus minus b square is 1 square minus 4, a is 3 under root, c is minus 4 into 3 under root and divided by 2 into 3 under root. Value of a. Here you can see x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1. Here is minus minus plus 4 4 the 16 and 3 under root and 3 under root multiplied, that will be 3 divided by 2 into 3 under root. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 48 over 2 into 3 under root. Remember that here is x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 49 under root over 2 into 3 under root. We will have x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 7 over 2 into 3 under root. Dear students, we have one's positive and one's negative. Minus 1 plus 7 over 2 into 3 under root, minus 1 minus 7. Here is x is equal to 6 over 2 into 3 under root. Here is x is equal to minus 8 over 2 into 3 under root. Now we have x is equal to 2 can cancel this 6 as 3. This will be 3 over 3 under root. And x is equal to, you can cancel this 8 also. This is 4 minus 4 over 3 under root. Here you can further cancel out. square root, it will be double inside. Again I am repeating, any number which is double inside, 3 3 is the 9, 9 under root is 3. So any number which is outside, actually it will be double in square root sign, so that we can cancel it. Here is x is equal to minus 4 over 3 under root. So x is equal to 3 under root and x is equal to minus 4 over 3 under root. Even you can finish this 3 under root by multiplying above and below by 3 under root. Or you can leave it, your solution set is 3 under root minus 4 over 3 under root. That is your answer. So I hope that you can solve part number 4. After that, we will have part number 5. Same method, same technique. You can solve it. Part number 5 is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x is equal to 0. First of all, I told you, first of all you will write down your quadratic equation as standard quadratic equation. In this way you will write down first term as x square term, then x term, then constant at the end. So from here, I think you can have a better idea about this, that a is equal to, comparing with standard quadratic equation, I am writing down directly now. A is equal to, because a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, c is constant, b is coefficient of x, that is minus 7, and c is minus 3. Using values in quadratic formula. In x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus into minus 7 plus minus 7 square minus 4, a is 6, c is minus 3 divided by 2 into 6. Here we have x is equal to 7 plus minus 49 plus, that will be 72 divided by 12. So x is equal to 7 plus minus, you will add them, that will be 121 over 12. So you know that 121 under root is 11 over 12. 121 under root is 11. Here we can have, you will write down this x as once positive, once negative. 7 plus 11 over 12 and x is equal to 7 minus 11 over 12. X is equal to 18 over 12 and x is equal to minus 4 over 12. Now you will have, your answer is x is equal to 3 over 2 and x is equal to minus 1 over 3. Your answer is, this is your solution set, 3 over 2 and minus 1 over 3. This is your part number 5. I hope that you can solve other parts exactly by using the quadratic formula. And if is there any problem, any confusion, you can contact me, you can ask, inshallah I will do it. So I hope that you can solve other parts, but first of all you have to convert your equation into standard quadratic equation. Sometimes you have to multiply with LCM, with all terms one by one, and then after simplification you multiply, you combine, write down in one side of the equation and write down the standard quadratic equation. And after that you will apply this formula, quadratic formula. I hope that you understood.